How to make Firefox default browser on Windows 10. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way of changing our default browser on Windows 10 to Firefox, so let's start. First of all, we need to open our Firefox browser. Once we do this, we need to move our mouse to the right top corner to those three dashes, and then from the list over here we choose Options. When we open Options, over here, almost at the top, we'll see a checkbox that says always check if Firefox is your default browser. That means that every time we open Firefox, it will ask us if you want to set our Firefox as the default browser. So all we need to do when this pops up, we just have to click yes, and it will set Firefox as default. Another option would be to click over here on Make Default. This will open Windows settings with default apps, and then down here we will see web browser. So all we need to do is click over here, and then we'll see a list of available browsers on our computer, and we need to choose Firefox. And once we do this, Firefox is already set as the default web browser on our computer. So this is how you can set it up. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to do that, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.